Hi. Sorry, because wala talaga ako kasamod ngayon. Kasi, actually, I've already filmed night 1 to 3 sa Five Nights at Freddy's. That's what I'm doing right now for this recreational video. Pero, nagka-error yung screen recording and the screen recording wasn't saved. So, this is me redoing it. Pero, we're going to continue with night 4 because I'm not going through night 1 to 3 again. That was hell. Anyway, that's my preparational video because I don't usually go outside. I only stay at home most of the time. So that's what I do in my leisure time. So to keep it real, yun yung gagawin natin. Hindi tayo lalabas. At wala lang akong pera. Tapos said that night 4 is going to be very intense. Kasi it is night 4. Parang, each night kasi, the difficulty goes way up. Oh my god. What was that?
When I did, hey, favor, maybe.
What was that?
I'm trying to hold out.
What is this?
I always wondered what was in all those empty heads there.
What? Hindi ko maintindihan. Kukul ba ako? Sabi na nga doon na yung Foxy. What? What's going on? What? Why are you doing that? Hindi mo yung ginagawa noon. Why are you doing that? Ano? Okay. Okay lang ba ako?
Oh ho, Oe Kalang. I'm only listening to Magnetic by Ellis.
Hey, usually static lay, wari ginihimo. Pero nadusog na tiya face, I don't know what's going on. Galit na ba siya? Kasi hindi niya ako nakakain. Girl, consent muna, consent. Don't force yourself upon me, gaw. Okay. I'm keeping an eye out for Foxy kasi magdadalaga na tiya din. Nandiyan siya sa corner. Galit na galit siya. I don't know where Chica is. I'm scared. I don't wanna do this. Okay, oh, Foxy was at my door. May Bonnie, lagay patulog yung Bonnie. Patulog yung Bonnie. Bonnie. That's cool, there are no more ni Foxy. I don't think he'll bother me anymore. If Freddy, nagpa-party ako sino, kaya nagpapa-music. Naringot siya na doon sa Freddy. Mas ako nakita na actually Freddy. Hindi ko nagmamanifest. Oh, nandun siya sa corner. Nandun siya sa corner. Okay. Nandun pa siya. Say hi. Gusto niya akong kainin. But I won't give you that chance. With 2% left to spare, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, thank you Lord. Okay, wait, I'll try to save this recording muna. Hi. So we're going to continue with night 5. I don't want to do this actually. Kailangan ko nakablock talaga yun eh. Pero like, para sa content yun, kasi I lost the footage. Gagawin na lang natin. at night 5 is the last night, 5 Nights at Freddy's nga eh, diba? So the difficulty is like way up here na talaga. So it's the pinaka-hardest nga night. Oh, diba? Nag-move tayo ni Bonnie. Ano do this? Para sa grades. Nandun sa gitna ni Bonnie. Ala, 74% na lang ako. Nakalat oras, Diyos ko Lord. Like, I need to be, what? I need to conserve energy. And then siya. He's not there. Oh, bad. Good. Okay, I'm trying not to use as much energy as possible. Kinukulbo talaga ako guys, sa waray kumayakan. Sorry if I have no commentary. Ayoko na that. This is where the video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Ayoko na. Gago, what's that? Hala, is that me? Ala, gising sulod ako costume. Gago, takard.